Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Suzuki Alto VX, a budget-friendly hatchback that continues Suzuki's legacy of offering reliable, fuel-efficient, and practical city cars. Whether you're looking for an affordable daily driver or a compact car with modern features, the new Alto VX aims to impress. So, let's get started with a detailed look at its exterior, interior, performance, safety features, unique selling points, and, of course, the price. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Suzuki Alto VX has received a subtle yet modern update, while it retains its signature compact design. Suzuki has made slight refinements to improve aerodynamics and aesthetics. The front grille now has a sleeker look, complemented by redesigned headlights that feature LED daytime running lights for improved visibility. The bumper has been slightly reworked, giving the Alto a bolder stance despite its small size. The side profile remains simple, but the addition of stylish wheel covers and slightly flared wheel arches add a bit of character. At the rear, the taillights have been updated for a more contemporary feel, making this hatchback look fresh and appealing, especially for city dwellers. Moving inside, the 2025 Suzuki Alto VX keeps things functional yet comfortable. Despite being a budget car, Suzuki has ensured that cabin is ergonomic and user-friendly. The dashboard layout is clean, with a centrally positioned digital instrument cluster that provides essential driving information. The VX variant comes equipped with a basic yet effective infotainment system, offering Bluetooth connectivity and smartphone integration. The fabric seats offer decent comfort for city commutes, and Suzuki has optimized space efficiently to provide adequate legroom for front passengers, though the rear seats remain best suited for shorter journeys. Storage spaces, including door pockets and a compact glove box, are well thought out, ensuring practicality in daily use. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Alto VX is powered by a fuel-efficient 660cc three-cylinder engine, delivering around 48 horsepower. While this may not sound like much, it's more than enough for urban driving, where efficiency and maneuverability matter most. The engine is paired with either a 5-speed manual or an optional automatic transmission, both tuned for smooth city performance. The Alto VX shines when it comes to fuel economy, achieving impressive mileage figures that make it one of the most cost-effective cars to own. The lightweight body ensures peppy acceleration at low speeds, though highway performance remains modest. The car's compact size and tight turning radius make it a breeze to navigate through congested streets and tight parking spots. When it comes to safety, Suzuki has taken steps to enhance the Alto VX's protection for drivers and passengers. The car comes equipped with dual front airbags, an anti-lock braking system, ABS, and electronic brake force distribution, EBD, for better stability during sudden braking. The body structure has been reinforced to improve crash protection, and Suzuki has integrated an immobilizer system to enhance security. While it may not have the advanced driver assist features seen in higher-end cars, the Alto VX does a commendable job in providing essential safety features for its category, making it a reliable choice for everyday commuting. The 2025 Suzuki Alto VX's biggest unique selling point is its affordability combined with efficiency. It is one of the most fuel-efficient hatchbacks in its segment, making it ideal for budget-conscious buyers. Its compact size makes it perfect for navigating busy city streets, while its low-maintenance cost ensures long-term savings. Another standout feature is its simple yet practical design, making it an excellent option for first-time car buyers or those looking for a dependable secondary vehicle. The availability of an automatic variant also adds to its appeal, catering to drivers who prefer a hassle-free experience. Finally, let's talk about the price. Suzuki has kept the Alto VX competitively priced, making it one of the most accessible cars in the market, depending on the region and optional features. The price ranges between $9,000 and $11,500, making it an excellent value for money choice. This affordability, combined with exceptional fuel efficiency and the low cost of ownership, ensures that the Alto VX remains a favorite among budget-conscious buyers. In conclusion, the 2025 Suzuki Alto VX stays true to its roots by offering an economical, reliable, and practical driving experience. With a fresh exterior design, a well-utilized interior, impressive fuel efficiency, and essential safety features, it continues to be a strong contender in the entry-level hatchback segment. While it may not be packed with high-tech features, it delivers where it matters the most: affordability, reliability, and ease of use. If you're looking for a no-nonsense city car that won't break the bank, the Suzuki Alto VX is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Suzuki Alto VX. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more auto reviews.